Explosion. This is Coach Jen. I'm going to do the competition cheer and then the competition dance with the moves and then the music, okay? So for the cheer, we start out, feet apart, hands on hips, smiles on lips. I yell ready. We say, okay. All-Star fans, let me hear you yell. Go. Go. All-Star fans, let me hear you yell. Fight. Fight. All-Star fans, let me hear you yell. Win. Win. So come on, crowd, help us out. Go. Fight. Win. Go. Fight. Win. Hold it and then rally. Let's go, All-Stars. We're number 1. After the rally, we go straight into the dance. So we're hands down, heads down, listening for the music. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Out 1, 2, roll 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This side 1, 2, other side 3, 4, pull 5, 6, 7, walk 8, 1, 2, get into your spots, listen for the music. 5, 6, 7, 8, go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Together, 1 step, 2, 3, 4, out. No. Roll 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, around 3, up 4, stop 1, hands down on 2, 3, or 4, depending on your count. We come together. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, down 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, open 2, 3, 4. Step 5, 6, pump 7, 8. Down, feet apart. We're going to count 1, up 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If you're in the back, you're going to go clap, high V, swing, X jump. If you're in the center, you're going to go down, open legs, staying here. And if you're in the front, you're going to go down into the splits. So what it's going to look like is clap, high V, X jump. We come down, shake our pom-poms, and down. If we're in the front, we're going to go down, here, shake the pom-poms, and hit the floor. And if we're in the front, we're going to go down into the splits, shake the pom-poms, and flat down, okay? So make sure you know where you're at when we get to that part. For now, we're going to do the music with the whole routine.